Yeah, out here in Wilmer. Yes, they got leaks. But yeah, I can get it done, but I gotta let her know I'm gonna take these pictures. Yeah. So that's leaking. Yeah. But she said the floors. This ain't nothing right here. Just get one of these pieces here. Put it right there. Get the pin nailer. Knock it down. This ain't shit. You know. Put that back like that. Hit that with the pin nailer. Right here. This floor. Go get these. Put back here. You know. Shit. Whoever was up in here. And if she gonna, I don't think they're gonna want to replace these cabinets. They might cover them. Fix that. But it's a leak somewhere. That's a new roof. You know? Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. Put the casing on there. This one over here? New casing. It's real simple. I know she said something about that's probably what she's talking about. These pieces like this that came off. Shit. Yeah. Right. That's why, man, you ain't supposed to pay nobody to do this simple ass shit. You know, people be lazy though. Anyway. Yeah. Anybody. Yep, I did this whole motherfucker, man. They good though. Anyway, what is this to? Oh, I don't know. Let me call her. I took a bunch of snapshots stuff. It's right here. I don't know if she want to replace these tops, but if it's rental property, you're supposed to put the cheapest shit that you can. You supposed to. If I was me, these motherfucking cabinets would be made of steel. Because you see what's going on, man. Anyway, let me let her know.